The original plan was just a simple battery change. I foolishly thought it would be a 2-minute job, in and out, easy as pie. Turns out, a completely different tragedy was waiting for me. The date hand decided to snap right off. A brilliant continuation of my terrible luck from the previous video. I tried to play the expert and put it back together. I spent hours squinting and holding my breath like I was defusing a bomb, hands shaking the entire time. Despite my best efforts, the date hand absolutely refused to go back into its home. The more I forced it, the closer I got to completely destroying it. Just as I was having an existential crisis over the date hand, the hour and minute hands decided to join the rebellion. They aren't actually broken, but they have become completely loose. Now they are just casually flopping about, having a little dance every time I move the watch. Now I have another mess to fix, which is fantastic, considering my watchmaking skills are roughly on par with a potato. So that is it. My brain is basically frying trying to figure out how to salvage this absolute disaster. And another brilliant problem has appeared. How on earth do I cover up the massive empty hole left by the date hand? What am I supposed to do? Fill it with a bit of blue tack and hope nobody notices. After battling with my own patience, I finally reached a very mature conclusion. I completely gave up. But after having a cup of tea and a proper sit down to calm my nerves, an idea struck me. I thought, since this watch is already horribly disfigured and halfway to the bin, why bother stressing over it? Let us just completely pivot and turn this disaster into a brand new project. Rather than throwing it out and wasting it, come and see the final result of this accidental masterpiece I have created.